Complex sales processes slow your team down, and sales reps often struggle to stay consistent. And oftentimes, AI feels intimidating, disconnected, convoluted, and as if it might replace them. So register now for the free webinar, Simplify Selling with AI, Bridging the Sales Methodology and Technology Gap, on Friday, January 9th at 12 p.m. Eastern. So, this session is going to show you how to integrate AI with the proven Sandler Sales Methodology so that you can simplify selling, keep conversations authentic, and actually focus on deals that we're going to close. Also, we're going to show you some amazing tips and tricks on how AI can enhance, not replace your team's performance, bridge people, process, and technology seamlessly, and act as a partner in coaching, selling, and in managing deals with your team. So register now so that you can empower your team to sell smarter, faster, more consistently, all while having more fun doing it. Thanks. See you then.